Have you ever attended a dance by yourself because you couldn't find someone to accompany you? Okay, let me understand this question. Have you ever attended a dance by yourself because you couldn't find someone to accompany you? Well, I understand this question, but let me understand this question even more because it's something really very different. I think that this question is belongs to, क्या आपने कभी किसी नृत्य में अकेले भाग लिया है क्योंकि आपको आपके साथ देने वाला कोई नहीं मिला? Okay, yeah, now I understand. Okay, so also this question is also belongs to the US and Europe maybe. Yeah, what is actually dance? Okay, I'm not talking about dance as a dance competition. I'm talking about kind of like a something really a prom night. Okay, yeah. And usually this prom night culture is actually happen in US or maybe Europe. इंडिया में नहीं है शायद, नॉट रियली श्योर, लाइक नहीं, इंडिया में तो नहीं है ये प्रॉम कल्चर. ओके, या लाइक इंडिया में लाइक वी हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक a dance competition or kind of like a something really a dance competition or dance whatever. Okay, and in that particular dance competition doesn't really require a kind of like a something really partner. It's not compulsory. Okay, if you wanted to dance with your partner, that is also okay. If you wanted to dance solo, that is also okay. But this question is actually mention accompany you. accompany का मतलब होता है कि the dance should supposed to be do between you two, means इस डांस को करने के लिए दो लोगों की ज़रूरत होती है. सो माइंड बी दिस क्वेश्चन बिलोंग्स टू द प्रॉम बिकॉज प्रॉम रिक्वायर्ड टू पर्सन टू डांस. ओके, जहाँ पे लड़का लड़की साथ में डांस करते हैं. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट दैट कि हैव यू एवर वेंट टू प्रॉम विदाउट पार्टनर? Okay, like this is actually the question that you should supposed to be asked, but they kind of like a change the question. I don't know. Yeah. First of all is that ki, we haven't really have this prom culture. So it's just like that. If we have that prom culture, it would be really good, but we don't really have that prom culture. What is actually prom culture? Okay, so I'm not really pretty sure about this prom culture. Okay, I just seen from the movies and somehow I might understand, somehow I might not. Okay, what is at least this? It's a kind of like that ki, it's a kind of like that ki people who like at the people from the high school, uh, they celebrate after they complete their high school, they celebrate with the prom night. Okay, we actually celebrate by farewell. Okay, like in our school we have farewell. What is actually farewell? Farewell is a kind of like that ki all those students gather and they just do party, not party actually, it's a, they gather, some of the teachers say something good stuff to their future, that ki what would they do. It's a kind of like a something last day at school, and the school wants you to give a kind of like a something like final goodbye for the better future. Okay, so basically most of the teacher are actually giving the lecture about their future life things and that. But best part about the farewell is that ki all the student came into the civil dress. Civil dress means like a normal dress. Okay, we don't really need to wear uniform. um, if you go to the US and Europe, तो वहाँ पे हाई स्कूल में कोई यूनिफॉर्म नहीं होता. Okay, they have kind of like a something really always wear things that you want. Okay, which is kind of like a making high school so good and so amazing, but I am really not so sure about. But let me like there is a one thing that I might say that ki the prom and this kind of like a stuff are, I don't know, dude. Okay, yeah, I haven't really done that, haven't really know. and haven't really asked someone to dance with me. Like I don't really have that much any courage, and is that like there is no reason for that. Okay, if the prom is kind of like a something really reason, then I might gonna ask someone to dance with me. Okay, but I born in India. We don't really have this prom culture, so uh, I didn't really experience this thing, so I didn't really ask someone to dance with me. No, I haven't really done that. Okay, but if I have kind of like a something like opportunity, I don't know. Yes, but still, but basically is this thing, have you went to the dance, like if you don't really like, if you, like by alone by yourself? Yeah, I went to the dance. Okay, yeah, it just like usually, okay, yeah, I actually like I accept that we don't really have a kind of like a something really prom, but we have farewell. We have kind of like that कि like इंडिया में celebration के लिए नहीं का, like basically let me tell you one thing. um, like I'm actually born in India, so mostly people are celebrate festival here. um, but festival is kind of like a something different thing. Okay, whatever, yeah. But is that key, the question is about the have you ever attend a dance by yourself? Yeah, definitely I attend by myself at dance, like at farewell or at kind of like that key. Yeah, maybe farewell. Yes, by myself. Okay, if I have a partner or not. And basically this thing ki, like I actually accept that ki, yeah, I don't really have any courage to ask someone to dance, but I have so many friends, so many friends. Okay, and I enjoy a lot with those people. Really amazing. Okay, बहुत मजा आता है. So yeah, next question.